Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl and use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Throw in 225 grams of butter. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Now just cream this. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 eggs. Now just beat these in until it's well combined. Now get 3 cups of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Put them in a separate bowl and mix them together, and then add them slowly to the mixture here. Now after you've added about 4 to 6 bits of this, you want to get 200 grams of Milky Ways. Cut them up, and you want to add some of this and then add more of the flour and some of this. So 200 grams of this, of Milky Ways. Now get a baking tray, put some parchment paper, baking paper or something down. I've got this, which is awesome. Just roll it into small balls, about a tablespoon's worth. Just space them apart a few inches because they will move. Well, they're not going to walk anywhere, but they're going to spread out a bit. Now just pop these in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This will probably take about 15 minutes. Just check it after about 12, but 15 minutes, maybe a little longer, and these will be done. Just leave these here to cool for about 10 minutes and then transfer to your mouth.